Hey editor. Most YouTube editors think creators judge them on pacing, effects, or transitions, but they don't. What creators actually judge is much simpler. Does the edit let them relax? I used to miss this completely. A few years ago, my work was solid, people were happy, I stayed busy, but nothing really moved. Same tier of clients, same level of trust, same pay range. But that changed when I learned how to see the moments that quietly create tension. Once I fixed that, everything else followed. Better projects, better clients, a completely different ceiling. Here's where it clicked for me. I was reviewing an edit for a creator with over 700,000 subscribers. On the surface, it was good. Strong visuals, nice music, clear idea, but the opening moved too fast. Within the first couple of seconds, the edit was already asking the viewer to feel something before they had time to understand where they were or why it mattered. A simple rule I use now is this. If the viewer hasn't had time to name what they're looking at, you're moving too fast. So instead of adding more energy, I pulled back. I slowed the opening so the environment could sink in. I removed the movement that was fighting the emotion, and I saved fast pacing for later once the viewer was already invested. That was it. The edit immediately felt calmer, heavier, more confident. Nothing flashy changed, but the trust level did. Here's the part most editors never get taught. Better edits do not automatically lead to better clients. What actually moves you up is understanding the decisions creators judge you on, especially the ones they never say out loud. The emotional ones, the invisible ones. That's the real difference between a good editor and someone creators want to keep around. And by the way, I got this email from a student a few days ago and it still blows my mind. This is what he said. Within 39 days of joining Elite Editor Academy, I went from doing documentary-style YouTube videos for $150 to landing a long-term project in English at $400 per video, with a $1,200 monthly retainer and room to increase it as the channel grows. On the call, I said my number, I stayed quiet, and they immediately said it sounded fair. They paid for the first video right away. I never thought it was possible that someone would pay me this much for a YouTube video. And that's from Sergio, so y'all have a good one.